All right. So, welcome to MGM AI community. This is where we use our AI to make money from the financial market. So, for those of us who are new here, you guys are welcome. And I don't think I have a new face on this live session currently. So, we'll just begin trading immediately. So, anyone who joins in and ask questions, we'll get to explain what we are going to be doing. So, um, let's let's begin without wasting so much time. Wow, wow, this is serious. Okay, so it's really dark. Okay, so let's begin. With start scan, we know we're looking for AI confidence of 90 to 99 and signal strength of strong. So that is what we're looking for. Stop scan, this is 90 plus, but then it is weak. So stop and start, we have 93 and strong. So what is the pair? The pair is BCHUSD, that is Bitcoin Cash. So type Bitcoin Cash, and you find it. Now, I'm starting with 600 as usual. So I go to how many minutes standard signal? 5 minutes. So I come here and I click 5 minutes. What else is there? I have the call. Call means I'm buying. And at what time am I buying? I'm buying at 10:06:15 seconds. So we have about 20 seconds to go. So get ready to buy Bitcoin Cash at 10:06:15 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 10 more seconds to go, less than 10 seconds to go. We're buying at 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So buy now. So we have a new face in Francis Edit. Let's hear you. Let's hear you. You can unmute yourselves. You can unmute yourself. How did you get to know about us, Mr. Francis? Let's hear you. I'd love to hear you. You can unmute yourself. Let's hear you. This is how we do here. So everyone gets to speak. Let's hear you, sir.
Hello, I'm Francis.
Good afternoon. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? So how did you get to hear about channel?
Through app. Then I joined this Telegram channel.
And okay. So have you traded before? Have you a trader? Or you are
Well,
new to it?
I made an attempt, but I was on a loss, so I quit.
How recent was that?
It's been long.
Okay, so since then you've not tried again.
Yeah.
Okay, so what prompted you to join now?
Trying to see if I at least can get the right tools or the right mentorship to actually succeed.
Okay. So that yeah, well, you are the right place, and that is what we are known for. Aside from the fact that you get access to our AI and you get to use it to make money, you would also understand the right way to also approach the market. You understand what the market is the moment you get here. So I want you to stay till the end. I would love to explain a lot of things. I'm explaining a lot of things at the moment, so I'd love you to stay till the end and listen to how our live session goes, so you can get to
Okay.
understand a lot of things, and maybe from there you can understand what you're doing wrong, and from there you can get
All right.
proper
Thank you.
introduction. Yes. So
Thank you.
first signal of the live session. That is what we just did there. So currently we have how many minutes to go? 2 minutes to go. So I would explain some things to the moment this signal is done, then I would explain a lot of things too. That's you need to understand. But for now, we're still running on Signal, which is Bitcoin Cash. Have you traded options before, Mr. Francis? What did you trade when you were trying to join the trading space?
Okay, I think I used the pocket that time.
Come again?
I think I used this binary in pocket option that time.
Okay, okay. So that means you already have an idea on how options work, where you will set a time, you will buy, it will go this direction, it will come. You understand that already.
Yeah.
So everything I'm doing right now, you kind of you have an idea.
Yes.
Oh, then it's very, very easy. So I will just explain how the AI work. It's very, very easy. Okay. So that's I need to know where your strength is, so I can know how to explain very well for you to be able to understand. But in the meantime, we are running this signal right now, and it is almost done. We are in profits of 510. It is definitely not my network, guys, because the way you guys are going up and on, it's definitely not mine. So not yet, at least.
Okay.
So we have 50 more seconds. We have 50 more seconds to go. Less than 50 seconds. We have 40 something seconds to go. Okay, looks like we are about to seal this. So we'll go for our second signal almost immediately. 20 more seconds. Yes, Mr. Michael. Go ahead, sir.
Please,
you still having issues with time?
I couldn't. Yes, sir.
You couldn't?
I couldn't.
Go ahead.
I couldn't.
I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes. You
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Please, my network is bad though. I couldn't take the 2 trades you just called now. I can't load my IQ option app.
That's the network. That's definitely the network.
I don't know how.
But you can trade yourself. Do you understand how to trade yourself? Like how to use the AI yourself?
But I don't have access to the AI myself. That's the thing. I only joined this live session to get the trading signal.
Understand. Okay, so this is what's going to happen. Okay, just try as much as possible. If you can sort the networking out, let's see what can happen. And maybe before the live session ends, you can join us in trading the others. But Mr. Michael wants to ask a question. I want to sort that out before I continue next. Does Mr. Michael have a question?
Yes, sir. Please. I'm having a bad network here, and I couldn't hear you. I couldn't hear you with them.
Okay. We will try and see if you can get this second signal.
Okay.
Yeah, it has finished. We will try and see if we can get the second one. Okay, so from Mr. San Francis that just came in, this is our AI platform.
Fortunately, it's sunny over here. I don't know. Those guys, are they in not?
No, one person is not in Nigeria. So there's
okay.
not, yeah. So now, it's clearing actually. Funny enough, the weather is clearing now. So now, for Mr. Francis that just joined in, this is the AI dashboard. This is what we use to take signals. You know, maybe before when you were trading yourself, you never used an AI, you never used anything. You just depended on what you know, and you click your buy and yourself. Now, this is an AI. This is the AI platform. This is where we get the signal from. That earlier signal we took, BCHUSD, was from this platform. It gave us a signal, and that is how we used to take the trade. That's what we do mostly on this platform. The AI is what does the analysis for us and gives us a signal. And the moment it gives us a signal, we execute it. So watch as we get the signal. So the website is mjmoptions.com. So the moment you are joining, you are here, just log on to mjmoptions.com and register there. So that is where the AI website, that is the AI website. That is where the AI is a web-based AI. So when you are logged in, you get to see the AI OTC scanner. When you are unlocked, you get to see the AI OTC scanner. Now, here you have now what we are. Whenever I want to trade, we are always looking for. This is the pair. This is the pair you trade where you go and search whatever pair you have. Look at them here. They are here. Then you also see this 5-minute standard signal. This 5-minute standard signal here means that you will be trading for 5 minutes. Since you already have an idea of how options work, then the next thing you go to is to see the direction. Direction here says call, so that means you're buying. Call means buy, put means sell, so that means you're buying. Now we have here the AI confidence. The AI confidence here has to be what, 90 to 99, and at the same time the signal strength must be strong before you can take the signal. Now you have the get ready time here, which is 10:05 15 seconds. This is when the AI scanned for the signal and generated it to you. Now here is the entry time when you are supposed to execute the signal. So you execute the signal right on this entry time, and when you execute the signal right on, the trade start running. Then you have these entries, martingale 1, 2, and 3 as backup for your entries. That is how the AI works. So now let's go into how we take the signal. Remember I said we are looking for 90 to 99. You stop, you scan. This is 90. But then we're looking for, at the same time, we're looking for a signal strength or strong. But here we have the weak. So you stop, you scan. 88. Signal strength is what? 88. We don't need 80 because it's lesser than what, 90. We stop, we scan. 98, but it is moderate. So we don't need moderate. So we stop and scan again. 82 is less than 90, so we don't. 85 is less than 90. 81 is less than 90. 71 also. 89 also. 80 also. 87 also. 83 also. 90, but it is weak, so we skip.
Can you hear me?
70 is also yes, sir, Mr. So go ahead, sir.
Please, I have logged into my MJM option account, but I can't find the AI scanner. How do I find it?
Yeah, this scanner is on the dashboard, sir.
That is when I'm logged in, I will see the scan on the dashboard.
You saw the scanner?
No, I don't know it. Like that's what I'm asking. Like, how do I get the scan on the dashboard? I'm logged in now.
Okay, send me a screenshot of what you can say, and I will show it to you.
Okay. And secondly, please, what is the best minutes to put for the trading? Is it 1 minute, 45 seconds, or 5 minutes?
The AI tells you that. AI tells you what to use. So underneath here, you see 5 minutes standard signal. So any trade you are taking on the LTC scanner is 5 minutes.
Okay, sir. I will do the screenshot and send for you. Just quickly now.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So let's keep going. AI confidence has to be 90 to 99. So you stop, you scan. 78 is no. 87 no. 79 is a no. 92 and what? And strong. That is what we have, and that is what we are taking because we have 90 to 99 and signal strength of strong. So now what is this? DOTUSD. So this is Polkadot. So we go and search. Make sure you search Polkadot. POLKA, and that is what you have here. Oh Lord, these guys are. So now you have Polkadot. You go back again. You check how many minutes are we trading for. This is what 5 minutes standard signal. So that means you come back here and you click what 5 minutes. So you're trading for 5 minutes. The next thing you come here to do is to check what direction are we going. This direction here says put. Put means sell. So now what are we selling? We are selling at the entry time of 10:18:59 seconds. So we have less than 10 seconds to go to sell. 10:18:59 seconds. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So sell now, guys. So sell now. We are sold Polkadot, and now we'll be waiting for 5 minutes for it to. So now this is the profit from the Bitcoin
Hello.
cash that we traded.
Hello. I didn't get it though. You said Polkadot. You said Polkadot. I didn't get it.
Yes, Polkadot. Yes, Polkadot.
Spell it. Spell it, please.
Polkadot.
Polkadot.
So right now we are on Polkadot. So this was the earlier signal we won, and that was on Bitcoin Cash. So currently we are on the Polkadot, which is the second signal of the live session. Right then made on the first signal. So I just posted the first profit. So now let's go to posting the second one, because I'll be explaining other parts of the AI to you guys, so you'll be able to So this is the second signal we just took now on Polkadot. So in case you are going to be using a martingale level, I've posted the signal on the website on the channel. Second AIC. So now this is running, right? This is running. We have 2 more minutes to go, so you can see how it works now. You can see how it works. So you have 2 more minutes to go, and this is above our entry, so it's still a loss. So let's see how it goes in the next 2 minutes. So in the meantime, let's see how it goes in the next 2 minutes. I thought I was one who would be having a network issues today, but then it seems it's for others. Oh, God. I guess I chose the wrong time. These people are eating a lot of things. So it looks like we'll be using the first martingale level, but we can't be so certain. We still have 2 more minutes to go. In the meantime, let us occupy ourselves by discussing the other parts of the AI. Let's see what it does do in the next 1 minute. After it is done, I take a martingale level. We talk about the other parts of the AI. So for those of us who didn't get to take the first entry, the martingale level is 10:23, 59 seconds. So make sure you are ready, just in case. 10:23, 59 seconds. Polkadot is the signal. So on Polkadot, Polkadot.
Hello?
So we have 50 more seconds. And it seems like we have crossed over into profit, but let's see what it does. It's still playing around our entry point. 40 seconds to go. Still in profit. Let's see what it does in the next 30 seconds. It's still around the entry, so it is still a little bit tricky. So get ready for the martingale level, just in case. Make sure you are ready in about 10:23, 59 seconds. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I won it. Did any other person win it? I did in the last second. This is Polkadot here. So I just won. Did anyone win it?
I did.
Okay. Okay, so Mr. Mark, that's 2. So let's go to the third signal. Now, as you can see, guys, you can see how it works now. From Mr. Francis, you can see how it works. Any other person with any other. When the signal is on, that is when the trade is on, that is when you guys can ask questions. So we can move faster. Now, let's go to the third signal. Let's go to the third signal, which has the AI confidence. This is AI confidence of 73. We are looking for the ones that has 90 to 99 and signal strength of strong. So let's keep going. This is 73, no. 99 and strong, yes. So what is the pair? EURCHF. Is there a day we don't go after EURCHF? EURCHF. That is EURCHF. So I start with 600 as usual. Then the next thing I check is what the 5-minute standard signal. So this means that we are going to be trading for 5 minutes. So I come back here and I click 5 minutes. Now the next thing I check for is the direction. Direction call means buy. So that means we're buying. That's what it means. Call means what? Buy. And put means sell. So what time are we buying? We're buying at what? 10, 25, 54 seconds. EURCHF buy at 10, 25, 54 seconds. So we have less than 10 seconds to go. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So buy now, guys. So currently we are on a buy for EURCHF2. And let me do a screenshot of Polkadot that I won earlier and the third signal, which is the EURCHF. So guys, the trades are running now, so you can ask questions if you have questions.
Hello, sir. Please, I want to ask a question.
Yes.
When you see the trade from the AI, you know, how do we talk with the timing? Because does it mean that after some time that timing will expire, and when we go to that trade, it's not be in profit for us?
If you don't enter on that time, it is too late. There's a reason why the AI gave you the time to follow. Do you understand? You can't be late by a second because you can't. It is options you are trading. The margin of you winning to losing could be by a second. Do you understand? So you have to make sure that you are entering it right on time. Do you get it? So whatever happens, okay, if market moves in direction, fine. But the margin between you winning and losing could be by a second. And if you enter a second late, it could affect you. So that is why when you are late by a second, don't take it. Make sure you take it right on time.
That means the AI gives signals before the time.
Give signals 1 minute before the time. As it gives you the signal, you go there to the other side and start imputing everything you saw on the signal.
Okay.
Yes, so that is how it works. Yes, okay. I'll send you a video after the live session, so that can also help you too. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yes. So, we have 2 minutes to go on this particular signal. Okay, does anyone have a question? Okay, I see ants. Yes, Mr. Francis, go ahead.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead, sir.
Hello?
I still have a question. Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead, sir.
Please, which broker are you using currently?
Yes. Okay. So that is okay. So let me give you a full breakdown on how you get access to the AI. Is that better? Okay. So now the first thing you need to do is to register on mjmoptions.com. Now, when you're registered on mjmoptions.com, you send me the email you registered with. That's the first step. Now, the second step is for you to register on IQ Options using our link on IQ Options. So if you can't find the link, ask me for it. I'll send it to you. You register using our link on IQ Options. You go to your profile, right? You copy your user ID. After you've copied your user ID, you send user ID to me. The moment you send user ID to me, you then go to your IQ Options wallet. You fund your wallet like you're about to trade. Now, the moment you fund it like you're about to trade, the AI will then be permanently unlocked, so you can use that. You can always trade with that permanently. That is how it works. That is the process. So the broker is IQ Options. Do you understand, Mr. Francis? Okay. So the broker is what IQ Options. So that is how it is. Does anyone have questions? Okay.
Yes, I'm not.
Go ahead, sir. So get ready for Martingale level 1, guys. Go ahead, sir. I can hear you, Mr. Francis. You're unmuted, so go ahead. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Martingale level 1. I'm looking for. Oh, so I've not done a screenshot of our third signal, which we are on currently now. Okay. So this is third AI signal of the live session. So does anyone have a question? Now is still the time to ask questions because we are on a signal right now.
Please, the Martingale, how does it?
Okay. So the Martingale level works. Give me a second. Let me explain it to you. Okay. The Martingale level, by simple explanation, works. Simply tells you to just double on your first entry, double on your previous entry. That is what it means. So now, how do we use it? It is quite simple. Now remember that on the first signal we took here. We took a buy, right? We took a buy on this first signal here. Remember. And when we took a buy, remember I risked 600. Do you remember? Now, on that 600, what happened eventually? Instead of it to finish above because I bought, instead of it to finish above my entry, it finished below, which resulted in a $600 loss. Now, how do I now recover it? That's AI gives me multiple entries, which is what this after it gave me this as backup. So now the next entry was what? 10:30, 54 seconds. So since I know that the next entry is 10:30, 54 seconds, I decided to put 1-2, which is double the 600. I put it on that. I raised it on that particular entry, next entry, and now that is the current entry running now, and it is in profit. So now the moment this 5 minutes finishes, I get to win expected profit of 1,020. Then I will minus it from 600. I will minus 600 from it, and that is the profit I will make. Do you understand? So it's more like a recovery level And that is what the martingale level is. It's more like a recovery level. Do you understand it, sir?
I'm just trying to understand, Sha.
Yeah. So if this does not, or if I don't win on this two, I will now make it 2-4. Then I will do this on the next entry. I will do 2-4. Then if I don't win on this, I will do 4-8 on the next one too. So that is how it is. We use it. You double on the next entry. That is what the martingale level means, basically, for recovery. So when you don't get to win on the first entry, you can double on the next entry to recover the first entry. That's how it is. And if you don't win on that second entry you used to, you double on the third one, you double of the one on the first one, you double it to recover it. And if you don't too, you use this last one to recover. That's basically how it works. So yesterday when you were saying that the trades that we took, you lost, others were using martingale levels to recover. You could not, or you were not, because you didn't understand it. Do you understand it, Mr. Solis?
Yes, sir, I'm hearing you, sir. I think I still need more time to understand it. Start from the
Yes, that's why it is important to join live sessions sometimes when you can ask questions like this, so you're able to understand. So we have 44 more seconds to go on this particular signal, and it looks like we have won this signal too. And we'll be rather than 510 or something, we'll be making about, let's say, 420. So we have 5 more seconds. So let's go to the third signal. It looks like we've won this one already. Let's go to the third signal. We just stayed. So that is what you can see it here, sir. 1020 Euro CHF Euro CHF. It's the same pair, the same direction. Make sure you go the same pair, the same direction. If you are buying, that means you're buying again. If you are selling, that means you're selling again. That's what it means on the martingale. You have to sell towards that same direction, buy towards that same direction. That is how it is. So next thing here is let's go to the fourth signal. Today is quite fast, but I hope it continues like that. AI confidence has to be 90 to 99, and signal strength has to be strong. So what is the pair? The pair is what? CHF JPY. So that means I'm going to search what for CHF JPY. CHF JPY. Bam. And I start with what? 600 as usual. Then the next thing I'm looking at is the 5-minute standard signal, because that 5-minute standard signal simply means I'll be trading what for 5 minutes. So what is the next thing I check for? I check the direction. Direction is call, so that means I'm buying. Call means buy, put means sell. So you can see this arrow pointing up. That's call. Now, when am I buying? I'm buying at 10:37:23 seconds. I'm buying at 10:37:23 seconds. So get ready, guys, to buy CHF JPY at 10:37:23 seconds. So 19, 20, 21, 22. So buy now, guys. So currently we are on CHF JPY. So while I do the screenshots of the previous signal I took on Euro CHF. So periods like this interval of trading is when you guys can ask questions. As long as we are on a live trade right now, we can then, okay, I have a question, then we can do that. So we don't interrupt the flow of our trades. But then you guys can go ahead and ask questions now. Since we have a running trade, go ahead and ask questions. It is important to ask questions so you can be clear on a lot of things. So this is the third signal on this live session. This is okay, so Mr. Francis, you want to ask a question?
Yeah. Sorry, it's like I've delayed the session, but I want to know. Please.
No. Yes.
Okay. A minimum amount I'll be needed to fund.
Okay, so there is a minimum amount, and there's also an amount you will prefer to trade with. The minimum amount is on IQ options is $10. But do you want to trade with $10? If you want to trade $10, fine. Do you understand? So that's also okay. But minimum amount is $10. But anything you want to trade with is up to you.
Okay. The AI user, will I have free access?
Yes, it's a free access to everybody on the MJM AI community. Everybody on the MJM AI community. As long as you're on the community, you join this MJM AI community, you have access to the AI for free. You have access to the AI for free. So, like I explained the other time, I said that to get access to the AI is very, very simple. It follows a 3 simple step process. And the first step is for you to register on this website at mjmoptions.com. That is where the AI is. The AI is a web-based AI. So when you register on mjmoptions.com, you send me the email you registered with. That's the first step. Now, the second step is for you to now register on IQ options using our link. So if you don't have the link, you can message me now to get access to the link. And the moment you register using our link, you go to your profile. You come here to your profile here. You come to your profile here. You look for your user ID, those 9 digits numbers. You send that to me also. That's the second step. Now, the third and final step is now for you to fund your own IQ options account like you're about to trade. The moment you fund that, AI automatically unlocks and you get a permanent access to the AI. It is never revoked. That is how it works. Signal. AI signal. So that is how it is. So this is our fourth signal, CHFJPY. It's in profits currently. So let's see how it goes in another 1 minute and 22 seconds. Let's see how it goes, but get ready to use martingale level because it's not too far from the entry, so you don't get to rush at the end. So just ready it down just in case. We are on the fourth signal. So 40 seconds to go. Still in profits. Okay, looks like we've sealed this one also. Looks like we have in 30, 23, 30 seconds to go now. So you guys can also send me a message for those of us who wants to get started. Immediately send me a message so I can help you out. So Mr. Francis, lucky you, sir, to some extent. Today is the last and final day for enrolling into the mentorship session, and you can just message me also on that so you can get access to it. So that is the fourth signal on the live session. Now we're going to the last and final one on the live session because we're supposed to take 5 and we're going into the last and final one. Remember, we look for AI confidence of 90 to 99 and signal strength towards strong at the same time. So stop scan 96, this is weak. Stop scan 82, no. 81, no. 87 is lower than 90. 97, yes, but then it is moderate, so we're looking for strong here. 99 and moderate, no. 93 and it is weak, no. 94 and it is moderate, no. 99 and it is weak, no. 74, no. 85, no. 91 and strong. So what is the pair? The pair is what? CADJPY, CADJPY. So we come here and we search CADJPY and we click. So remember, I start with 600. And what is the, how long are we trading it for? We're trading it for 5 minutes standard signal. So that means we are trading it for 5 minutes. That's what it means. So what direction are we trading it to? Is a put. That means we are selling. And at what time are we selling? We are selling at 10:44:16 seconds. 10:44:16 seconds. So we have about 20 seconds to go. 10:44:16 seconds. So we have about 10 seconds to go now. So let's count 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are selling at 16 seconds. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So sell now, guys. So currently we are on CAD-JPY. So I'm going to do a screenshot of the CHF-JPY we took earlier. So so this is the profit from the fourth signal. So this is also 510. Okay, so still running. And let's go and screenshot the fifth signal too, which is here. You see a CAD JPY, CAD JPY. Anyone? Does anyone have a question? Anyone? Now is the time to ask questions. So the fifth signal.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Go ahead, Mr.
Yes, sir. Please,
Go ahead, sir.
I still want to join. You're saying is the final date because already my phone is like being down. So maybe if I join from the community share, I don't know if it has been. So I will contact you later.
Okay, you know what you can do now. Send me an I right now, like this, so in case your phone goes off, you can always have me there. My account, in my DM, you can always send me a message now, so you can have access to me at any point in time. Do you understand?
All right.
Yes, you can do that. Send me an I. Click on my name and send me an I. So click on my name and send me an I. So we have 2 more minutes to go. Okay. Any questions, guys? We're on the fifth and final signal. Any? All right, sir. I've seen your message. Okay. Wait. Okay, so get ready, guys, for the first martingale level. Looks like we're going to be using it any moment from in 50 seconds, most likely. Okay. And okay, so get ready, guys, for first martingale level in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyone, any question? Well, we're still here. Looks like we are going to be on say card JPY for a little bit longer, maybe probably than the rest of the other signals. Still have 3
So,
more minutes to go. Okay, all right, sir.
I just saw a BCH USD rate signal now.
Yes.
The platform that pay.
Yes.
The
You
pay
just
is
saw
not there.
BCH. That is BCH USD. That is Bitcoin Cash. That's when remember I said it at the beginning of the live session when I took a signal and it sold BCH USD, and I said, guys, type Bitcoin Cash. That is what it is. It is just in short form. Yeah, I can't write. There's no space for a lengthy write up on the AI dashboard. So that is why I wrote Bitcoin Cash. Do you understand? That's why it is Bitcoin. That is why I said Bitcoin Cash. Yeah. So that's the question.
I am on Ghana now, and it showed me just one refresh it. Is there a way I can dashboard?
I didn't get that very well, sir.
I said I am on the scanner now, like the AI scanner. I'm just seeing just one analysis, and it will just remain there. I can't see other analysis on the dashboard until I have to log out and come in again.
No, when it does that, you click stop scan, then you click start scan again.
Okay, it will just show just one. It doesn't show multiple.
It won't show multiples. All you need to do is click stop scan, then start scan again. It will show you.
So I'll continue like that until I get
until you get to what?
A strong signal.
Until you see AI confidence of 90 to 99, and see at the same time you also see signal strength of strong. That is what you should do.
Okay, sir.
Yes, that's how it works. So you keep doing stop scan, stop scan, stop start scan, stop start until you find 90 to 99 and signal strength of strong, like the ones that I've been posting from earlier.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. That's how it works. So we have 40 more seconds. So get ready for the second martingale level. So we have 20 more seconds. It's playing around our entry, so still get ready for the martingale level either way. So it's playing around the entry point. So, but we're in profit, but it's playing around the entry. So that is still a little bit. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we want it on the first martingale level. So that is sealed also. Card JPY is also sealed. So that means we did 5 out of 5 signals. So guys, this brings us to the end of the live trading session. But in the meantime, does anyone have a question? Does anyone also need a video guidance on how the AI works? Make sure you. Does anyone?
Yeah, I need a video.
Okay. So hold on, give me a second. I'm going to show you where you can get it, and I'll also send you a link to. We all want it was obvious we all want it. Give me a second. The first place you can go to get the video guidance is when you go to MGM TV, which I'm going to show you now, and I'm also going to send you a link, a direct link, which will be easier for you. AI. Okay, so I'm going to send you one now. I think I sent someone a link. I sent a link just some days ago. I sent a link. I don't even know where it is anymore. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Since you have access to the whole thing, come to MGM TV. You'll find all the videos that you need here, or every live session that describes how the AI works. Now, aside that, you can also go to YouTube, click on YouTube, find it on MGM AI Community. So you'll find it on MGM AI Solutions. Now, let me send you the direct one that explains how to use the Magic AI. So I'm going to share that to you, copy the link, and I'm sending it to you now. So this one shows you all you need to see. So you can also watch others too to also get the total understanding of it. You can also watch others too to get a total understanding of it. So does anyone have a question?
Sir.
Yes, go ahead, sir.
Please, I'm not seeing the trading time on the AI scanner. The time for the trade, is it 1 minute or 5 minutes or so? I can't see it there.
Okay. Under the pair, can you see 5 minutes standard signal? Did you see 5 minutes standard signal?
Okay.
That means you're going to be trading for 5 minutes. That is what it means. Now, for the time for you to execute the signal, the time where you will place buy or sell is what? Is the entry time. When you see the entry time, that is the time I'm supposed to execute the signal. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
That is basically how it is. Any questions you have, always just come to my DM. I'll explain. Does anyone have a question? Does anyone have a question? We did 5 out of 5. So you guys can post your results. So if you did 5 out of 5, you guys can post your results. It was a good live session. So the next live session will be around 3. I have an engagement by 12. So I may not be able to host the live session by 12:30, but the next one will be by 3. So make sure you guys are active. And yes, go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir, Mr. Emmanuel. Go ahead. Oh, I can hear you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, I want to ask a question.
Yes,
from that particular level, if I don't do the first entry from the one, can I enter the first on the Martingale level?
No. The moment you have won a signal, the moment you have won it like this, you can't use any other Martingale level. The signal is done. You have won it.
Okay, so if I want it, can I use the Martingale level with that?
You cannot use the Martingale level. Yes, it's already too late. You can't use the Martingale level. Okay. But if you didn't win it, that's when you can now go ahead and use the Martingale level.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yeah. You're welcome, sir. So does anyone have a question for me before I go? Anyone?
Good morning, sir.
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah. When are we coming back for the day, sir?
Sir, you might need to remove your earpiece or your hands free. We can't hear you very well. Paul.
All right, sir.
Yes.
When are we coming back for the next 3?
3 o'clock. 3 o'clock for the next live session. Yes, I won't be. I will not be available by 12:30, but 3 o'clock I'll be back. Then 3 o'clock, then 5:15, like we do every day. 8, 10, 12:30, 3 o'clock, and 5:15. But today's 12:30. Oh, I'll not be around. So 5. So we are talking about 3 o'clock and 5:15. Our live trading sessions are between 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. and 5:15 p.m. Those are the live trading sessions, but the other ones are just regular introduction to the AI and taking of one particular signal and from. But trading sessions is 10 and 5:15.
All right. Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir. Does anyone have a question? Else has a question before I move? Anyone? Does anyone have a question? Anyone? All right. So, in the absence of questions, I'll be closing out this live session. For those of us who are still here and you and are planning to start today, make sure you guys send me a message. Make sure you guys send me a message now. And I will get you started. I will help you to get started. And so for those of us who are still contacting me over the mentorship sessions, you guys should make sure that this is not for our old guys on Market Warriors. No, this is for our new guys just joining into the community, especially for those who are just joining in this week. So message me also for how to get access to mentorship sessions too. So I would also find a way to get you started and get you into it. So any questions from you guys? Mr. Friday David just came in. Do you have a question? Okay, do you have a question? Let's say your questions. Do you have a question? Do we? Okay, so my DM is open. I will drop my handle on the channel. You will see it amongst the messages. You will see it amongst the messages I have sent. You will see it amongst the messages I have sent. And when you see it, it will appear as Efa Josh at Efa Josh. So you can click on that, send me a direct message, and I would be there to help you every single step of the way. So my meeting will not disturb me from answering your messages. So send me a message immediately. Send me, and I'll see you guys later.